In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set and manage overdraft limits in Xero's Cash Flow Manager. Overdraft limits are an essential piece of your short-term cash planning. In Xero, setting them correctly helps your cash flow projections reflect the real headroom you have with your bank. That way, when your balance dips below zero, the forecast knows how far it can go into the red before you're outside your agreed facility. First, log into Xero using an account with access to reporting. From your dashboard, head to the reporting area. This is where you'll find tools that shape how your financial data is summarized and forecasted. Look for Cash Flow Manager and open it. You should now see your forecast view, which pulls in your bank accounts and expected cash movements to model your near-term position. Inside Cash Flow Manager, click Bank Options. This menu is dedicated to settings that control how each bank account behaves in the forecast. Here, choose Overdraft Limit. This tells Xero how much negative balance is permitted for each account within your bank's agreed facility, so the projections stay realistic. Before entering any amounts, review the available bank accounts listed. Make sure you recognize each account and confirm you're adjusting the correct one. If you operate in multiple currencies, keep in mind that limits apply in the account's currency, and exchange rates won't change the limit here. If an account shouldn't have an overdraft, leave its limit at zero. Now, enter the overdraft limit amount for the relevant account. Use the full facility available to that account as agreed with your bank. Enter a positive number. Xero understands this as the allowed negative balance. Double-check the digits and decimals to avoid typos and match the limit to your current bank agreement rather than an informal expectation. If your setup needs refining, adjust the overdraft settings as needed. For example, if several accounts share one facility, allocate the limit thoughtfully across them so the combined total doesn't exceed what the bank allows. You can also revise an existing limit downward if you want a more conservative forecast, or increase it to reflect a recent facility change. Next, review the updated overdraft limits. Confirm each account's figure is correct, and glance at the forecast to ensure the visuals make sense with your new safety buffer. The projection should now better reflect when you're within or outside your agreed lending headroom. Finally, click Save. Saving locks in your settings so the forecast consistently uses the right limits. That's it. Your cash flow manager will now produce projections that align with your real-world overdraft capacity.